Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to send SMS for received email. So working in a company, you might receive multiple emails all day, but you want to be notified for every one of them or to send it to separate people. Then you can take help from this automation, because here you can send an SMS notification for every email received by you. You can create this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where our trigger will be to watch emails using email parser, that is a feature by Pabbly, and our action will be Twilio, where you will send message of the notification. Let us learn how to do that. Let us learn that how can you send an SMS notification for any email received by you that you want to set at a priority. Let us quickly sign in into our account. That will take me to all the applications that are provided to you by Pabbly, and we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, which will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will see a big blue button on your right side where it's written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Send SMS Notification for Email Received. Click on Create, and then a blank workflow will be created for you, like you can see on your screen. You will be able to see Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the whole automation works. Before that, I would like to remind you to open your SMS sending application, that is Twilio. We are going to use it today, and also your Gmail that you will be using to receive your emails. Now, both of these applications are supposed to be opened so that you can connect them with Pabbly Connect and also cross-check the activities you're going to perform. So, what does Trigger and Action say? Trigger says when this happens, and Action says do this, which means that Trigger will be the first application where the event will take place manually, or we can say that you are going to perform the event. That will trigger this workflow, making the Action application perform the assigned action. Here the trigger is email parser, because it retrieves the email from your Gmail or Outlook or any email application that you are going to use. You are going to use this mail hook so that all the messages or all the emails that you will be receiving on that specific email address will be forwarded over here as a response. And you will use that data to send this SMS notification. So let us learn how are we going to forward this. First of all, you have to copy this mail hook and then go to the Gmail where you want to set the forwarding. This is my Gmail inbox. I will go to the settings and go to see all settings. Reaching here, I will go to forwarding and POP-IMAP. Here it is one existing mail hook that I will remove. And then I will add a forwarding address. So this email address that we are working upon right now will forward all the email addresses to this mail hook. Click on Next and then proceed. You are giving access to the mail hook. Now, once this is done, you will receive a response in your workflow at Pabbly Connect, and there you will receive the verification code. Let us enter the code so that we can confirm that this address is the correct location. Now here you have received a response. When you scroll it down, you will find that in body text, this is the confirmation code. So copy this code and paste it in your Gmail. Verify. And the verification is done. Now select this, forward a copy of incoming mail to this mail hook, okay, and keep the Gmail's copy in inbox. That is done. Scroll down and save changes. Now you've done the changes over here. Now here we will recapture email parser response, and now it is waiting for a response right here about any email received. So what we are going to do is we will go and compose a sample mail and send it to the email address where we have just attached this mail hook. Now this is my another Gmail account. I will click on compose and enter the email address where I will forward the details. This is the email address, and the subject for my mail is leave application. So the case that we are working upon right here is that all the emails that you receive can be checked later on, but any employee applying for any leave will be taken into consideration at topmost priority. So we are going to set such a filter that every time a leave application mail is received by your email, then you will receive an SMS notification to go and check that mail. So my body consists of this detail that this is to bring to your notice that I need to take a leave from the office for 2 days. Here you can put the dates in the bracket and the reason over here. Please grant me leave and regards. This is done. The email address is same of the person of the Gmail address where we sent the forwarding address. Click on send and your message is sent. Coming back to your workflow, you will see it's still waiting for a response, and in no time you will be receiving a response with the body text of that mail that we just sent. And here we have received a mail. You can scroll down to the body text, and here you will find this body. See, it's here. Alright, and then we have the subject over here. So as I mentioned that all the other mails can be checked later on, but the one with leave application are our priority. So we put a filter over here, which is a feature built inside Pabbly only. It continues the workflow only if the given condition or situation over here is satisfied. So what we will do here is we will select the subject, which is leave application. It should be equal to what? Obviously, leave application. So if the mail that you are receiving is having leave application in the subject, then this will continue and the SMS will be sent. But the subject is different from leave application, it is about something else, then this workflow will stop at the trigger step only. So once this is done, click on save and send test request and see it will say that the status is success and the condition over here is true. So which will let this workflow run. Click on this plus button and add your final action step, that is for sending your SMS. Choose your application as Twilio and the event will be send SMS messages. Click on connect, add new connection. Now you're connecting Twilio and Pabbly Connect so that all the data that you have over here that you've received from your email parser will be used to send the SMS. So you need the account SID, authorization token, and again you have to enter the SID right here. So remember I told you to open your Twilio account over here. If you scroll down from your landing page, you will find the account SID and the authorization token right here. So copy this SID, go back to your workflow and paste it in the respective places. Then coming back to Twilio again and the authorization token is here and paste it in the place. Click on save and your connection is done. Now your Twilio and Pabbly Connect are connected. You need the body of the SMS that you need to send to the person and then send a number which you will get from Twilio itself. So this is the number that will be used to send the message so that you don't have to use your personal number. This is the sender's number and the recipient number. So you don't need to map the recipient number over here because this is a notification SMS, which means if there is any person who is assigned to check for the leave applications and give the leave, grant the leave, so these SMS notifications will go either to that person or to the boss so that he or she knows about the leaves being taken in your office. So you will enter that number which is going to be static. It is not going to change with any coming up email. The body over here will be you have received a mail and the mail title I can map from the subject from, and also you can put the email address of the person from where you have received the mail. This is done. Enter the recipient number over here along with the country code and click on save and send test request. So here you have received the message which says like this. Alright, so let us check our inbox. Have we received our message or not? Here you have received at this is the time when the message was received and sent from Twilio trial account. Hello sir, you have received a mail, leave application from this email address, which means that you have received the SMS right in place, right on time whenever you will receive this mail. So let us close this window and see that this is our workflow. I hope this is going to help. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.